Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
Messiah about Mami call Victor.
That's it.
Fight against corruption.
That's it. Eddie Kain. I am in one P. As I am I am in one. Say a Nepa Minia Paka. And then one who says the corruption attacked as national concern. Hey, and now what happened when and then the corruption oversee tackle them. Tackling it, tackle from national point of view, and not party A, and then your party B. Paka Mikayo.
And then okay.
And that's some now, Minia, and that's some portray now, my penny kai. A bad corruption issue, not so to speak. Minia, I got many Minia Paka, many I been power say corruption there. As ye na, you fighting. A national issue wampa. Na nyenye bi atama na owo opposition. What tackle no as a national issue na. And then some near DMP man. Na ban bi te so. Mi enkasam tie enne some man penina na do danko Akufo-Addo. E praise no ho se wo fight corruption. Minue, me dem NDC ni niema me be bobbo so a minue be ma kasam bobbo so. Me dem bobbo so. Me de meka bia na be ka so me NDC ni ntia because enye nden ye kan wasa say who preach virtue na wa be practice vice Ghana for na eka wo de be yi a me be ma omodin asi form mo Peace FM ha kra nim ha yi a na stop nipa 10 ne bisa about aban how our osi tackle corruption effort a cosen at any saying. Dear Nipa ebia 9.5 9.5 be catch say. Eye munun enko ye baku say. Ebia half aka no ono half no kra no because say ye one no tie. Ne half we catch us say wo mo yade. The other one catch us say menya sure. I mean, what didn't we hear? The promises are yet from Minia Bema Bang. The president Nimu Ankasa. And the president said, as he approve, say, oh, allegia, as he approve answer. Minia Sanoka. Sana Banka.
Yeah.
Oh. And yes, sir, what
the president I can't that.
Where Minia Bema Kasa no can be say, almost institution or confer special prosecutor here then. Eba muka but one come with details. Was the first prosecutor omo appointed no? Also one the one more number. Hey, one more number pon some oba be kafa aban ne ho. To the extent said the president of Teswaye, your papa his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Asemwa e fee the prosecutor nano ansa na wo resign. Every the position. Mini abema. Me mpekra se me bie manu asaka because pack out tie minua baako minua prekope asem ne ka fa the president ho no by the special prosecutor ote about me kai about the mother serpent of corruption okay minua say okay minua na di nkomo ote sana okay me bo
sana matina me do
as you say a whole prosecutor special prosecutor ye appointed
okasa na no
o say okasa na no you to be prove no so wrong maybe so was there any proof say the description now Martin Amidu Mayen
yeah
answer no resign again to resign was he proved wrong
but I know you free
I mean I tell was saying we a seasoned journalist minim baby a wufi pa enye nna me no ye ene minua be me yebo sankroi enti na ete wo sen ye ni kro ha wo eye aba corruption fight no aban bi ano no wo so ono na aban na appointees ekra no obako ekokoka se wo nyaaya ne nsa ka be $1 million we are obefi aban okay Kai me nipa ko o kasa me ne wo na di nkomo yi. Me who say corruption fight na ne communication this time. Eh mo din.
Why the guy there?
Okay. Me person I me person be fi ma no. Me person fi ono ano na enye brother to brother nkomo aye di. O se den. Say onya be here $1 million kra obede. That is what he said. For only having that mindset keke say. Tonya said sika no a wo pe e do be fi abamu ana say obeye okay no. What did the Abaya notice with the president at the time? Just for having that notion, say na me pe, say minya. Paka, that is Abaya. What didn't want to say? What be fighting corruption? We saw it under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Minya, we also saw under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, any prosecutee. Minya Bema Okoda prison. Okay. From youth Abuga Pele.
Yeah.
Under whose regime? And as a fight, it take place. It was in that by no. Yes, say about corruption among and no mu preaching virtue that time. Today, under the watch of this government, there are several corrupt practices happenings near ACC. And you only abide under His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa. The officer fighting corruption on behalf of the government. Hello. Not abide a fighting officer. Under Dome level. Okay. Auditor General's office.
Not buying fighting officer.
Sir, Dome level fighting identify. Abide mun krofua. One more practicing corruption. One more year niema. And say enfata. Yes, you to me prosecute two women. Was started the effort. Even the first Marco Pena me besembo ever your friend say minister, senior minister. Okay. Safu Mafo approach now. So what happened? The government was fighting the one who is in charge of fighting what? Corruption. Sorry. That is what happened. The Buana. Yeni visa Australia visa case.
Visa scandal.
Scandally. Pious.
What we you?
Yeah, if you no. No question journalists and other people are. That was correct. So it means somebody did that. Under the minister, under the Pious Hajide. If there is any message out there from whichever institution if you report about, what can report to be? You are a journalist. Can you pull that report and let us
go for it?
No, but we are here discussing it because the president of the day has resurrected what? Has resurrected corruption practice, and he's hailing himself. We need to go back. Maybe in this scene, and some of me bubo sunyina ya kasa.
Utie oha exi punk no. Needs FM.